the Great Ocean Walk. Here we are. This is actually my first ever solo hike. I've been hiking for about 12 years or so and never been on an overnighter by myself, so I thought, why not go to the next level and go 7 nights by yourself. So I parked my car at the Princetown Recreation Reserve, and my lovely parents dropped me off at the beginning at Apollo Bay. So I've been driving for about 6 hours today. Now I've got the 3.5 hour walk to the first campsite. Considering it is a solo hike, thank you for keeping me company, and I cannot wait to show you what the Great Ocean Walk has to offer. Ticking off all the Australian animals today. I guess I wasn't joking when I said that. Snake, more commonly known as a danger noodle. So where were we? Day 1. Apollo Bay to Elliott Ridge Campground. Distance 10 kilometres. Time approximately 3.5 hours. Graded medium. This section has a few inland track options to help navigate through high tide. I took most of the inland options to minimise the risk of getting stuck at high tide, so my walk was spent hopping between coastal forest and beach. Quicker than I knew, I arrived at the peaceful Elliott Ridge Campground. Elliott Ridge campsite. If you are not from Australia, or you are from Australia but you have never heard what a koala sounds like, I highly encourage you to YouTube that sound, because if you go camping or hiking and you hear a koala, you probably think that you're about to be possessed by the devil. So point of that story, lots of koalas at Elliott Ridge campsite. So today I have got about a 4.5 hour walk. It's meant to be quite warm today, about 29 degrees. Everyone else has left the campsite, I'm the only one. But I'm just gonna take my time and I will see you on the track. It was at this point my body felt the full effect of carrying 8 days worth of food. So I just stopped for a snack with some lovely ladies. This track so far has kind of been all the same. I've been walking for about an hour, But if you look closely, there are some ginormous trees all around us. Day 2. Elliott Ridge Campground to Blanket Bay Campground. Distance 12 kilometers. Time approximately 4.5 hours. Graded easy. While the majority of the day's walk will be spent beneath the tall, damp eucalypt forest, you'll be able to appreciate the uniqueness of this day later on. It also makes the moment you come back out onto the beach even more special. So I'm about 3 kilometers from the Blanket Bay campsite, so I think I'm going to stop here and have some lunch and stop sweating. We doing it? Going for a splash?
It's so fresh, so new. Freedom! It's the best show you can.
Walk up the stairs from the beach and you'll reach the beautiful Blanket Bay Campground. If you're wondering what you do when you reach camp, it normally goes something like this. You scope out the campground and realize Blanket Bay comes equipped with its own mini waterfall. You set up your tent, you collect water, you filter water, you transfer water, you drink some water, and you filter some more water. You cook food, you eat food, and of course, hang out with the local residents, who on this particular afternoon decided to perform his ode to his drop bear brothers and sisters.